the golden aroma. Soft and tender goodness beckons you closer. Ooh, come inside. The anticipation builds as your fingers brush against the exterior of the warm, soft, beautiful mounds. Each one plump, juicy, glistening with a light honey mustard glaze, the satisfaction echoing after your first bite. The juicy meat melts in your mouth, bursting with flavors that dance on your tongue. The creamy richness of the filling rumbling from within the meat perfectly balances the firm, girthy mouthfuls. Each one, an explosion of euphoric ecstasy waiting to get buried deep within your guts. Come and get it.
And obviously, we're going to be washing that down. Some Jameson. Black Barrel. Let's go. Bro. Burger King. Nuggets. Bro. Bro, it's not looking terrible.
Nice.
It's not looking terrible. Because, bro, if your mans know anything about Burger King, your boys' experience with Burger King.
We've had terrible experiences.
Go check out our
my
previous
God,
review.
Burger King.
Freaking Burger King.
So terrible.
I was straight up about to say tacos right now. Burger King's
Looking like
chicken
crap.
wraps. That shit was so small, bro. It was a fucking taco. Well, hey, let's get into the freaking chicken nuggets, shall we? Let me get some of this sauce going. Without the sauce or with the sauce?
Bro, with the sauce. This guy.
All right. I fuck it without the sauce. All right, let's get through the exterior. Get to the chicken. Juicy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh Jesus. Wow.
It's actually quite good.
Boys.
Smash it.
Boys. Oh my god. I feel like we keep having the same experience with Burger King. The taste is always going to be fire. But fucking portion size, bro.
The portions are terrible.
It's just small. The
Terrible.
portions. Alright, cool. Before we get into that,
Not just the portions, like the actual size of the freaking price we there for the portions, nuggets, or wraps, whatever.
fuck me.
Fuck me.
Ah, jeez. Wow. Bro, I can't stop.
Facts.
Wow.
Facts.
Wow. Alright, so with the sauce or without the sauce? I'm thinking definitely better with the sauce,
bro.
But you gotta get like the right amount. You gotta get the right proportion of chicken wing, chicken nugget to sauce.
Facts.
Bro.
Woo! It's fire, bro.
Oh my days.
This, bro. Jesus.
Oh god. Exhale. Inhale.
Man's trying to breathe.
So,
Man
you
can't
see
breathe.
this guy? Bro.
Man's
I gotta do my breathing, bro.
practicing breathing.
Wow.
Mm.
Oh god.
Wow.
Oh god.
It's fucking I feel you, bro. Oh my god.
Wow. Jesus. How you man gonna rate this shit?
Bro.
Cause bro, for real,
For real.
bussin'. God damn.
That shit.
Oh my
For real,
god,
for
bussin'. Brothers. Brothers.
For real.
Wow. Woo! Nah, wait.
What's up?
There's a common problem with Burger King. It happens all the fucking time, bro. And I can't. I gotta deduct some marks.
This man.
Exactly.
Oh my
Facts.
God.
You gotta deduct some marks, bro. Why the portions always tiny? and shit?
Facts.
I'm not a fucking Lady Pilshan up in this bitch. This ain't fucking Gulliver Strap. What the fuck? Why your portions always tiny and shit? Burger King, fix up. Okay, look at the size of us.
Facts.
We ain't trying to have no,
Focus in here.
bro. Okay, please.
Up your portions, bro.
So, for the sole fact that the portions are just not given. I'm gonna have to deduct some marks from Burger King. Again, this is the second time on the show.
This sauce, bump it down. This sauce?
Just busting that.
I'm gonna have to deduct some marks, bro. Nah.
I agree.
Bussin'. It
Lower
tastes
that
fucking
shit.
excellent. For real,
I agree.
bro. But I'm gonna have to deduct some marks.
I agree.
Bussin'. You man agree?
Facts.
Hey.
Facts.
Let's go. All right, guys. Hey, let's get into the freaking show.
To the show.
Let's get into the show. So yeah, guys. Next we're gonna be getting into freaking Netflix.
ATLA.
Netflix's Avatar: The Last Airbender live action.